U.S. Navy has unveiled its $13 billion masterpiece, the USS John F. Kennedy, a supercarrier packed with groundbreaking technology that's set to redefine modern warfare. From revolutionary aircraft launch systems to unmatched power and mobility, this ship is unlike anything the world has ever seen. Let's dive into the secrets behind this game-changing marvel. The $13 billion marvel, the USS John F. Kennedy, CVN-79, isn't just another warship, it's a symbol of American innovation and naval dominance. With a staggering price tag of $13 billion, this next-generation supercarrier is packed with cutting-edge technology designed to revolutionize modern warfare. From its state-of-the-art construction methods to its unmatched combat capabilities, the CVN-79 represents the future of naval power. This colossal vessel is more than a ship. It's a floating fortress capable of launching and recovering advanced aircraft like the F-35 Lightning II and unmanned aerial systems. With the ability to operate independently for decades thanks to its advanced nuclear reactor, the Kennedy is built for endurance, power, and flexibility. It's not just a marvel of engineering, it's a statement to the world that the U.S. Navy is always a step ahead. Aircraft carriers. Aircraft carriers stand as the cornerstone of naval power, embodying over a century of evolution in military strategy and technological innovation. Initially conceived as reconnaissance tools, these vessels extended the vision of naval fleets by enabling airplanes to locate and monitor enemy ships from great distances. In their early days, they were regarded as auxiliary units, supporting the fleet rather than leading it. However, the true potential of aircraft carriers became glaringly apparent during the pivotal events of World War II. The attack on Pearl Harbor by the Imperial Japanese Navy marked a historic turning point. Deploying 6 aircraft carriers and a staggering force of 400 planes, Japan executed a strike so devastating that it overshadowed the might of traditional battleships. The success of this strategy not only crippled the U.S. Pacific Fleet temporarily, but also demonstrated that carriers had surpassed battleships as the dominant force in naval warfare. No longer were they mere eyes of the fleet, they had become its most powerful weapons. This shift in perception fundamentally redefined global naval strategies and cemented the aircraft carrier as the centerpiece of maritime dominance. Since then, carriers have evolved dramatically, growing in size, capability, and strategic importance. Modern carriers are no longer limited by the constraints of proximity to land bases. These mobile fortresses can operate autonomously in international waters, unburdened by territorial restrictions. Their ability to project power across vast distances makes them indispensable in both war and peace. They are not just military assets, they are symbols of national power, capable of influencing geopolitical dynamics. Aircraft carriers today play roles far beyond their initial design. They are platforms for launching precision airstrikes, conducting humanitarian missions, and maintaining a persistent presence in critical regions. Their ability to carry a full complement of aircraft ensures they remain versatile and adaptable to any mission. The lessons learned from decades of carrier operations have continually shaped their design and functionality, leading to the modern marvels we see today. Unmatched in their capability to project power, maintain deterrence, and adapt to the ever-changing nature of global conflicts. Ford-class supercarriers. The Gerald R. Ford-class supercarriers represent the pinnacle of naval engineering and the next chapter in the evolution of aircraft carriers. Designed to replace the legendary Nimitz class, these carriers are more than just vessels. They are the embodiment of cutting-edge technology and innovation, tailored to meet the demands of 21st century warfare. The Ford-class supercarriers stand as a testament to the U.S. Navy's commitment to maintaining its global dominance and ensuring its fleet remains unmatched on the seas. At the heart of this new class of carriers is a drive for efficiency, power, and capability. The Gerald R. Ford class introduces hundreds of advanced systems and design improvements, making them the most technologically sophisticated warships ever built. Among these innovations is the revolutionary electromagnetic aircraft launch system, EMALS, which replaces the traditional steam catapult systems. EMALS provides smoother, faster, and more precise aircraft launches, reducing stress on airframes and allowing a wider variety of aircraft to be launched more efficiently. This is complemented by the Advanced Arresting Gear, AAG, a system designed to safely and effectively recover aircraft, further enhancing the operational capabilities of the carrier. The USS John F. Kennedy, CVN-79, the second ship in the Ford class, is poised to take these advancements even further. Unlike its predecessor, the USS Gerald R. Ford, CVN-78, which faced significant challenges during its early deployment, the CVN-79 has benefited from the lessons learned during the construction and testing of the first vessel in the class. Modular construction techniques, digital design, and pre-assembled components have drastically improved the efficiency of its construction. In fact, over 70% of the Kennedy's components were built and tested in factories before being integrated into the ship, a process that has reduced both time and costs. Another defining feature of the Ford class is its A-1B nuclear reactor, a revolutionary power source capable of generating 3 times the energy of its predecessor. This immense energy output is critical to supporting the advanced systems aboard the carrier, from EMALs to next-generation radar and combat systems. Additionally, this reactor only requires refueling once every 25 years, allowing the ship to remain operational for extended periods and reducing the logistical burden on the Navy. The Ford-class carriers also prioritize the well-being and efficiency of their crews. Advanced automation and streamlined systems have reduced the required crew size, saving billions in operational costs over the carrier's lifespan. Living quarters, workspaces, and recreational facilities have been significantly improved to enhance the quality of life for the sailors who serve aboard these colossal ships. The Ford-class supercarriers are not just marvels of engineering. They are strategic assets designed to project American power anywhere in the world. With the USS John F. Kennedy set to join the fleet in 2025, the Navy is entering a new era of operational readiness and dominance. These carriers symbolize not only the technological superiority of the U.S., but also its unwavering commitment to maintaining peace and stability in an increasingly complex global landscape. By integrating advanced technologies, improving efficiency, and addressing past challenges, the Ford-class supercarriers are poised to set a new standard for naval warfare and redefine what is possible on the high seas. CVN-79 capabilities. The USS John F. Kennedy, CVN-79, stands as a monumental achievement in naval engineering and military strategy. Beyond its sheer size and power, this supercarrier represents the future of maritime dominance, bringing together cutting-edge technology, advanced operational capabilities, and unmatched strategic flexibility. As the second vessel in the Gerald R. Ford class, the Kennedy has been designed not just to meet but to exceed the demands of modern warfare, ensuring that it remains an unparalleled force on the world stage for decades to come. At over 1,100 feet in length and displacing approximately 100,000 tons, the Kennedy is a floating fortress. Its design is not just about scale, but about efficiency and versatility. It can operate as an independent force, requiring no support from land-based facilities. This self-sufficiency is powered by the ship's 2 A-1B nuclear reactors, which generate 3 times the energy of their predecessors in the Nimitz-class carriers. This immense energy output supports not only propulsion, but also the ship's sophisticated systems, including radar, communications, and next-generation weapons. What sets these reactors apart is their incredible endurance. Requiring refueling only once every 25 years, they allow the Kennedy to remain operational for extended periods, no matter how far it is deployed. Central to the Kennedy's power is its advanced air wing. The carrier can host up to 90 aircraft, including F-35 Lightning II stealth fighters, which bring cutting-edge capabilities to air dominance and precision strike missions. Other aircraft, such as the EA-18G Growler electronic warfare planes and the MQ-25 Stingray aerial refueling drones, enhance its ability to operate in contested environments and extend the operational range of its fighters. This comprehensive air wing makes the Kennedy capable of conducting a wide variety of missions, from air-to-ground strikes and reconnaissance to search and rescue and humanitarian assistance. The integration of the electromagnetic aircraft launch system, EMALS, transforms how the Kennedy operates its aircraft. Unlike the traditional steam catapult systems, unmals uses electromagnetic energy to launch aircraft more efficiently and with less wear and tear on airframes. This allows the ship to deploy a diverse range of aircraft, from lightweight drones to massive fighter jets, with unparalleled speed and precision. Complementing EMALS is the Advanced Arresting Gear, AAG, which safely recovers aircraft of all sizes, including unmanned aerial systems. Together, these systems ensure that the Kennedy can launch and recover hundreds of aircraft daily, achieving a sortie rate of up to 270 launches and recoveries in a single 24-hour period during high-intensity operations. Beneath the flight deck, the Kennedy is a hive of activity, equipped with state-of-the-art weapons elevators. These elevators, powered by electromagnetic systems, move munitions from storage to the flight deck in record time. Unlike older hydraulic systems, these elevators are faster, more reliable, and capable of handling heavier payloads. This efficiency is critical during combat, where every second counts. The ability to quickly arm and deploy aircraft gives the Kennedy a decisive edge in any conflict. The ship's design also prioritizes the well-being and efficiency of its crew. Advanced automation has reduced the required crew size, cutting costs and allowing for improved living conditions. Sailors aboard the Kennedy benefit from enhanced accommodations, recreational spaces, and modern work environments. These improvements are not just about comfort. They ensure that the crew remains focused and mission-ready during long deployments, enhancing overall performance and morale. The Kennedy's strategic capabilities extend far beyond its impressive arsenal and advanced systems. As a mobile American territory, it can operate in international waters without relying on foreign bases. This independence makes it an indispensable tool for projecting power and maintaining global stability. During times of crisis, the Kennedy can position itself near conflict zones, providing immediate air support and acting as a deterrent against adversaries. Its presence alone can shift the balance of power, offering reassurance to allies and a formidable warning to potential foes. The versatility of the Kennedy makes it a force multiplier in any operation. Whether conducting precision airstrikes, supporting ground forces, delivering humanitarian aid, or serving as a command center for joint operations, the ship is equipped to handle any mission. Its advanced radar and communication systems provide superior situational awareness, ensuring that it can respond to threats and coordinate with allied forces seamlessly. Beyond its immediate capabilities, the Kennedy is a platform for future innovation. Its advanced power systems and modular design make it adaptable to emerging technologies. This includes the potential integration of directed energy weapons, such as combat lasers, which could revolutionize naval warfare by providing a virtually unlimited supply of ammunition powered directly by the ship's reactors. Additionally, the Kennedy is equipped to support the growing use of unmanned systems, from drones to autonomous underwater vehicles, further enhancing its versatility and operational reach. The USS John F. Kennedy is not just a ship. It is a vision of what naval power can achieve. It embodies the lessons learned from decades of carrier operations while pushing the boundaries of what is possible. As it prepares to join the fleet in 2025, the Kennedy is set to redefine the role of aircraft carriers in modern warfare, ensuring that the U.S. Navy remains a step ahead of its adversaries. With its advanced technologies, unparalleled capabilities, and enduring presence, the Kennedy is poised to dominate the seas and secure its place as a cornerstone of American military strategy for generations to come. The future of naval supremacy. The future of naval power is being written today, and at the forefront of this evolution are the Gerald R. Ford-class carriers, with the USS John F. Kennedy, CVN-79, playing a pivotal role. These carriers are not just symbols of American dominance. They are strategic tools designed to adapt to the shifting dynamics of warfare, diplomacy, and global security. As the world becomes more interconnected and geopolitical tensions rise, the Kennedy stands as a testament to the U.S. Navy's ability to innovate, lead, and maintain superiority in an unpredictable world. At the heart of the Kennedy's contribution to the future of naval supremacy is its ability to integrate emerging technologies seamlessly. The ship's modular design and advanced power systems allow it to adopt next-generation systems as they become available. This includes revolutionary technologies such as directed energy weapons, electromagnetic railguns, and advanced unmanned systems. These innovations promise to redefine naval combat by enhancing precision, reducing reliance on traditional munitions, and providing unmatched defensive and offensive capabilities. The Kennedy is not just a carrier, it is a platform for the technologies of tomorrow, ensuring that it remains relevant and formidable for decades to come. One of the defining challenges of the future is the need for sustained power projection in increasingly contested regions. The Kennedy, along with the rest of the Ford class, is uniquely equipped to meet this challenge. Unlike other military assets that require extensive support from bases or supply lines, the Kennedy operates independently in international waters, free from the constraints of host nation agreements or geopolitical limitations. Its advanced nuclear reactors provide the energy necessary to sustain operations for years, allowing it to project power in any theater, from the vast expanses of the Pacific Ocean to the narrow choke points of the Persian Gulf. The Kennedy's ability to serve as a mobile American territory is particularly significant in the context of the U.S. Navy's strategic pivot to the Indo-Pacific. This region, home to some of the world's busiest shipping lanes and most volatile flashpoints, has become a focal point of global competition. The carrier's ability to operate in this region without reliance on local bases ensures that the U.S. maintains a persistent presence, reassuring allies and deterring potential adversaries. With its advanced air wing and cutting-edge systems, the Kennedy can respond rapidly to crises, provide humanitarian aid, and project a show of force when necessary. The future of naval supremacy is also tied to the economic efficiency of these vessels. The Ford-class carriers are designed with cost-saving innovations that reduce operational expenses over their lifespans. For example, the USS John F. Kennedy incorporates automation and streamlined systems that lower the required crew size, saving billions in personnel costs. Additionally, its energy-efficient reactors and maintenance-friendly design reduce downtime and ensure that it remains combat-ready for longer periods. These features are not just about saving money, they are about ensuring that the Navy can sustain a powerful and capable fleet in an era of increasing budgetary constraints. As the nature of warfare evolves, so too does the role of the aircraft carrier. Traditional naval engagements are giving way to multi-domain operations that span land, sea, air, and cyberspace. The Kennedy is built to excel in this environment, with advanced radar, communications, and electronic warfare capabilities that ensure it remains a step ahead of its adversaries. Its ability to coordinate with other assets, from submarines and surface ships to satellites and drones, makes it a central node in the Navy's networked force. This interconnectedness is critical in an era where information and rapid decision-making are as important as firepower. The Kennedy also represents the U.S. Navy's commitment to sustainability and resilience. As global challenges such as climate change and resource scarcity impact military operations, the Kennedy's design incorporates features that reduce its environmental footprint and enhance its self-sufficiency. From its energy-efficient reactors to its ability to produce fresh water and handle waste on board, the carrier is a model for sustainable military operations. These features not only align with broader environmental goals, but also enhance the ship's ability to operate in remote and austere environments. Beyond its technological and strategic capabilities, the Kennedy serves as a powerful symbol of American leadership. Its very presence in a region can deter aggression, reassure allies, and project stability. The carrier is not just a tool of war, it is a tool of diplomacy, capable of showcasing the United States' commitment to global security and its allies. This soft power aspect of the Kennedy's role is just as important as its ability to launch aircraft or fire missiles. By demonstrating the U.S. Navy's readiness and resolve, the Kennedy contributes to a global order built on deterrence, cooperation, and peace. Looking ahead, the USS John F. Kennedy and the Ford-class carriers as a whole are poised to lead the U.S. Navy into a new era of dominance. Their ability to adapt to emerging challenges, integrate next-generation technologies, and maintain a persistent presence in critical regions ensures that they remain indispensable tools of American power. As the Kennedy prepares to join the fleet in 2025, it carries with it the legacy of a century of aircraft carrier innovation and the promise of a future defined by strength, resilience, and ingenuity. This is not just the future of the U.S. Navy, it is the future of naval supremacy on a global scale. The USS John F. Kennedy, CVN-79, is more than just a ship. It's a beacon of innovation, strength, and American leadership on the global stage. As it joins the fleet, it solidifies the U.S. Navy's position as the ultimate force in modern naval warfare. But what does the future hold for this groundbreaking supercarrier and the evolution of naval power? One thing is certain, the Kennedy is just the beginning. If you found this deep dive into the world of advanced aircraft carriers fascinating, be sure to hit that like button and share this video with fellow enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to Navy Wings for more insights into cutting-edge military technology and the latest in naval advancements. Stay tuned and let's continue exploring the marvels of modern engineering and global defense together. See you in the next video.